All right, folks, we're going to get started here on boss level 3. I'm going to just show you some stuff to get you started. I'm going to show you the whole thing, but I am going to show you how to lay out this basic shape here. So I'm in my millimeter template, because this is obviously in millimeters. You're not going to do 140 inches on a part like this. So we will go in and get started. We're going to go ahead and take our rectangle tool. We're going to look at our overall base dimensions. We're going to be 140 by 64 wide. We're not going to worry about our total height or this flange quite yet. We do need to know this height is 19 though. So we're going to do, first of all, we'll start our rectangle and we're going to do 140 comma 64, enter. We're going to take our push-pull and we're going to pop that up to 19, enter. Okay. Now, we are going to start on this flange now. We're going to lay it out first. We're going to lay it out with guidelines. We're going to use our protractor tool over here. So you grab your protractor tool. And you're going to click on that on the green axis. You see how it popped to green. Okay, and we click on that corner and we come out here and we're going to pull this to 60 degrees. So I'm going to pop in 60, enter, and it's going to lay that guideline out. How did I know it was 60? Well, it tells us in the drawing right here, 60 degrees. Okay, so there's my first line. Now, the problem here is going to be where exactly this line goes into this this piece here. So we can't just estimate where that's going to be and draw that in. So we have to look at our width on this piece. I know that looks weird from that angle. The width at this piece is 19. So all we have to do at this point is parallel this 19. So we're going to go to guideline, parallel in the direction, in that direction, 19. And you can see that is where it crosses. Next line we'll put in is going to be this piece right here. So we need to know this total height here from here to here, and it is 90 degrees. I'm sorry, 90 millimeters. But look, this is going to be weird because we don't really have a line that is parallel. So how are we going to draw that in? Perpendicular, right? So we can do that perpendicular. What we'll do is we'll do one line and we're going to do it 90 millimeters. So we'll do this one line and we can do it 90, right? Enter, and there it is. Now we go off the perpendicular here, and there it is, perpendicular to edge all the way here. Okay, now we can bring this here, and that's going to make a surface. Now check this out. We're going to pop this in really cool. Push pull. I'm going to push pull that to the back edge. Bam. Okay, erase. Ah, crap. Erase. Okay, heal this surface. 2 and 1. There you go. Got you started, right? Now, same tools. We're going to lay out this flange, okay? Let's do that. So we've got 19 that we've already put in here. We're going to go off this back corner. It is 51, but we have to minus 19. Okay. It's going to be 32. So what we're going to do is take basically you can see that the angle is perpendicular to this line. So we don't need our measurement tool or the protractor anymore. We just need our tape measure. So we're going to take our tape measure, and if you double click on this line, it's going to reproduce that line. Okay. Now we need a line that's 32. Okay. 32. Okay. Why 32? Because we have 19 here. We're going to go across on the green axis, and if we line up here, it's going to put us right where we need to be. Bam. Look at that. All right. Now, this one is only 18 millimeters thick. So we're going to pull this to 18. Okay. We're going to heal these surfaces. Always try to heal surfaces before you move on to another step. That did kill our guideline, but that's okay. I don't think we need that one anymore. All right. So we're almost there. Now we've got to put the circle in. I'm going to show you the circle, and then that's where I'm going to stop this video. Okay. So the circle, we're going to use the art tool. We're going to get the 3-point art. No, I'm sorry, 2-point art. And we're going to do a half circle by doing from here to here and then pulling up. But we want to pull up onto this guideline so that it's on the correct angle. And you're going to want a half circle. So it pops to half circle. If you notice, it's saying that it's at a half circle now. Click that, and we've got our top piece on our little flange here. Yeah, the flange. All right, let's go ahead and complete this part. We're going to pull this down to this surface, and we're going to heal it here and here, and you're getting closer and closer, right? So at this point, you would want to start in on the cutouts on the top flange here and here. These are just kind of a push-pull thing. Put your holes in. You may just experiment with different orders, whether you do the hole first and then the cutouts, or the cutouts and then the hole. They both present challenges, I won't lie, but that's why this is a boss level. Do your best, try hard, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks. Bye.